Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn Macomb. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This Macomb, Illinois hotel is minutes from Highway 67 and the University of Western Illinois. The hotel offers a free hot daily breakfast and guest rooms with 32-inch flat-screen TVs. Hampton Inn Macomb features an indoor pool and a fitness center. A business center and laundry facilities are also available on site. Guest rooms at the Macomb Hampton Inn are equipped with work desks and coffee makers. Free high-speed internet access is also included in each room. The McDonough District Hospital and Whalen Manufacturing are only minutes from the Hampton Inn in Macomb, Illinois. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.